Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add chapter sections to your YouTube videos. This is a cool feature where we can add little chapters. We can section up our videos just like you see right here. And you can really customize this to be whatever you would like. It's a really cool feature YouTube just implemented. And today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to add it. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the YouTube website and of course be logged in. From this point, we're going to be clicking on our profile on the top right, and we're going to be coming to our YouTube studio. Once your YouTube studio opens up, we're going to be coming to the left section right here, and we're going to be clicking on the videos tab. From this point, you can then select whatever video you'd like to add chapters to. In this case, I'm going to be doing my most recent upload, weird things people bought using my Amazon Prime link. And what we're going to be doing is adding chapter sections to this video. So adding chapters is actually really easy. We don't have a separate tool in YouTube. We are actually going to be using the description to add our chapters. So what I'd recommend doing is coming down to the very bottom of your description, or you can put it somewhere on the top if you would prefer. And what we're going to be doing is creating a new section. I'm just going to be coming down a couple of enter spaces here, just so I can come down a little bit further. And we're going to be typing time code here with our chapter names, so the YouTube video knows exactly where our section chapters are. So in this case, what we need to do is start with the time code of where our video is. So in this case, I'm going to be putting a chapter at the very beginning, and I'm going to be naming this intro. So what this is going to do is it's going to take the time, which we have right here, 000, which is the start of the video, and we're going to be putting a title to this chapter, in this case, intro. To then put a second chapter, what we can do is come down an extra space. We can put, for example, 030, and we can say start of first topic. So here what we've done is created two separate chapters, intro and start of first topic. Now, of course, you can customize this to be any time length you want and any chapter name you would like. After that, there's two other things we need to keep in mind. One, you need to have at least a minimum of 3 chapters for this to be picked up and worked on your video. And 2, you need to have a minimum of 10 seconds between chapters. These are both rules enforced by YouTube. I will leave a link in the description to a blog post where you can read more. However, you do need to keep these in mind when making this. So all I'll need to do is add one more, which I'll put at 1 minute. And I will say end of video, just as an example. So this is the minimum you need to do, have everything at least 10 seconds apart. I need to have at least 3 chapters in your video. From this point, all you need to do is click save on the top right here. And we're going to be going previewing the video to see how it looks. So if I view my video right here and I try to scroll through my sections, you can see at the very beginning, I have my intro section right here, and it even gives me a little title. Coming to the middle, then we have our start of our first topic right here, which is cool as well. And then finally at the end, we have the end of the video. However, I do think this is a nice addition to YouTube videos. It allows us to section our videos in a number of different ways. And for longer form videos, this can be really, really good, or even specific tutorials. You can skip to the exact point you need, so you don't have to search for it in comments. It's really nice that we have this. And if creators use it successfully, I think it could be really good for their videos. Anyway, guys, it's as easy as that to add chapters to your YouTube videos. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.